Hey friends, welcome back. It's me again. Today I want to show you how to replace the rear brakes on 2008 Acura TSX. First, remove the wheel. And then here you go. Rear brake rotor, rear brake caliper. So we're gonna take the two 12mm, one, two 12mm, and in the front there's a brake line right here. Just take that 12 up also, so we have some extra space to pull out the piston, the brake caliper. So we break the 12mm for the caliper ball by hand. So the two 12mm for the brake caliper ball is out. We put it to the side, and then the 12mm for the brake line right here.
Yeah. 12mm brake?
Yeah. So we got it. We just put it out to the side. Okay. And then we just pull the whole brake caliper out, put it to the side. Then use your old brake pad, just remove it, throw it away. Then you got the brake pad off, checking the slide pin to making sure that it's moving freely without sticking anything. Just looking good there. We compress the brake caliper piston back on. So we use the brake caliper tool. If you don't have one, probably you can use a big flat head. So put the tool in and hold it with the other hand, then turn the piston clockwise until it's fully compressing, and then you're making sure that the cross, this cross right here, is lined up with the front space. You see the open space right here? So making sure that it's lined up or close to that one, that you know that it's in the center. See? It's in the center and line up with the space right here. That's to know that when you put it in, it'll be line up better, or line up good. Or you can use a big flathead, stick it in the slot. And you can turn it also. If you don't have the tool, you can do it this way. It's a little harder, but it's doable. And same thing. Just making sure that it's lined up with the front gap right here. You see, it's all lined up. That you know that the piston is on the center. And that's how you want it. So the pad is looped on the top part and the bottom part. Then we slide it on into the bracket. See, the sensor is stay on the bottom because the rotation is like clockwise. So we want to put it under at the start, you know, so it's facing down. It stay under the bottom of the. Then this is the outside pad, so we loop it, the top, the bottom, and then on the side, that's where the metal contact between the brake pad and the brake caliper right here. So it's just the surface, the two metal surface rubbing against each other, so we loop it so it doesn't make noise. So we just slide it on. So it's like that. And remember I was talking about the slot on the piston. See that slot right there? So the slot, the cutting is lined up with the pin right here. You see the pin sticking out? That's where it's lined up with that. So yeah, making sure that that's the center. So when we put the we got the brake pad on. Now we're gonna put the brake caliper back on. We just slide it on, and then making sure that it's slot in like that. And we'll put the two 12mm for the brake caliper ball. For the brake caliper on. Tied it down. And don't forget to torque it down to the specification. Yeah. So that's how you. There you go. That's how you replace the rear brake pad on the 2008 TSX. Yeah, and pretty much just put the wheel back on, pump the brakes, and let's try the vehicle. if when you taking it out and this slide pin ball in here keeps spinning, you use a 17 ring to hold it and then turn it on the opposite way with the 12 millimeter. Then you can break it loose. Same thing when you put it on. If it's spinning, just use the 17 to hold it and then tighten it with the 12 millimeter. Okay, good. Okay. Alright, we have the brakes on, the wheels on, everything tight and talk to spec. Now we're gonna go inside the car. Gonna pump the brake pedal. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the brake pedal should be firm after like 3-4 times, but I just pump it until like 5 times, 10 times, and then with the engine off. Then you start the engine on, and you see the brake pedal sinking down, but it doesn't sink all the way to the floor, because if it does sink all the way to the floor, there's air in the brake system, and we need to lead the brake system. Yeah, there you go. It's good. Turn the car off, and then making sure that you test drive the vehicle slowly and apply the brake, making sure that it's stops safely. Okay, work safe and be safe, guys. Thank you very much.